What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. All right, so I got two Tidradio H8s here. I also got a other selection of radios in the background. I'll take you guys off the tripod for a second. So I ordered a 2-pack of these TID radios. I actually like the green. They also come with stickers that you can put on the right side of the radio or the side that has the K1 connector hookup. So it comes with these two radios. Comes with two of these shorty antennas. Here's the other one right here. Comes with two long TID radio branded TD771 antennas, which are similar to like a Nagoya style antenna. It just says TD for TID radio, probably. Comes with two spare batteries and two batteries you can attach to the radios. So the radios do have their batteries on it. Comes with two belt clips, two lanyards. TID Radio calls this a kit, a full kit, which I disagree, and I hope TID Radio gets this, or at least sees this video. I disagree with their marketing on what they call their kits. In my opinion, the full kit, this kit did come with two wall warts and then two USB-A to USB-C cables, which is fine. You know, you can charge the radios like that. All of these batteries have USB-C on the bottom. These batteries do not have the interference issues that make radios go deaf within 100 feet, like these Baofeng UV 5G pluses or these Baofeng 5RM or the 5RH radios. The 5RH is just like these two. I don't have the 5RH with me right now, but 5RH, this is a 5RM, this is a UV 5G. They're all the same. UV 5G plus right here is a GMRS. The 5RM and the 5RH are ham radios. The 5RM is a 10 watt. The 5RH is an 8 watt. That's the difference. These batteries, when you're charging them through the USB-C port, do not have the interference issue, which makes the radios within 100 feet go deaf. So that's a nice feature on these TID radios. These are the GMRS models. So Unit 1, I named that one Unit 2. This one, I put a smiley antenna on it. This is a GMRS telescoping super stick whip antenna. And I put a BNC connector. So a SMA female to BNC female on here. So I can change out my whip. So this is a ham whip. This is my little mini ducky with a BNC connector. I have a slimline whip from Smiley Antennas here, and then I have a regular ducky whip right here. I have all of them set up with BNC connectors. This one is going to my wife, so she wants it for compact form factor, so she's going to keep this shorty antenna on it. So you could just twist it, lock it on. I could put the little shorty on it if I wanted to, like so, which we could use that in a different video. So I already set all of these up. I actually already programmed them. The Bluetooth function does work on these pretty well, but you get 4 batteries, you get 2 wall warts, you get 2 USB-A to USB-C cables, you get 2 short antennas, you get 2 large antennas, and the reason I do not like their marketing on and you get 2 of these cheapy little head earpieces. The reason I don't like the marketing is if this was a full kit, it would have also came with 2 charge cradles. And in my opinion, it would have came with at least 2 speaker mics. Full on speaker mics. So I'll give you an example. TID Radio could have provided in this kit that they call the full kit, they could have provided 2 speaker mics. You know, clip on your shirt speaker mics. This is a a very high quality one, but they could have provided their Tidradio cheapy ones. It would have been nice if they would have done that. So in my opinion, in order for it to be a full kit, it's missing 2 cradle chargers, which the cradle chargers do come with this same wall wart, comes with the same USB-C cable, and the charge cradles actually have a USB-C plug on them. So you can basically plug the charge cradle into a USB-C port on a computer. You can plug it into like this Milwaukee top off here. You could plug it into a 120 volt outlet. You can use a lot with that charge cradle, which is fine. I ended up, I don't have them here. They are not going to be here till tomorrow for the charge cradles. I did order those. So out the door with these 2 radios and 2 charge cables with these kits was 144 bucks. It wasn't actually too bad. It's actually quite a good deal in my opinion. They do give you some decent antennas. This antenna has a lot to be desired. It's not great. These are the GMRS version. You can get these in ham version, in black, clear, or green. Same with these, black, clear, or green. I got the GMRS versions. And you can completely unlock these. And I have I'll leave links in the description if you guys want to check out the Wouxun KG-UV9GX. I got that from Better Safe Radio. I'll have a 7% coupon down below for anything over $100 if you guys want to check that out. The KG935G Plus, which is this one right here, I got from buy2aradios.com. And then these guys, they're just Baofengs that I got from Amazon. But these 2, if you guys are interested in quality radios, I will leave a link for both of these radios. The KG-UV9GX, which is this guy right here with the slim line whip. It's actually one of my favorites. It actually has 2 push-to-talk buttons. You could program all of these keys and everything to do other things. This is a shit hit the fan radio. It's got 999 channels. And I've been using it the most. And all of these slim line, or all of these smiley antennas I got from Better Safe Radio as well. So if you guys use my link, you guys can get 7% off. But I'll do a separate radio on a lot of the features on this, but I just want to quickly touch on this. So if the radio is off, I just turned it off. If you hold the PTT and the asterisk or the star sign or the scan button, and you turn it on, it's going to ask you, do you want to initialize ham system? It's going to erase the data. Exit. Okay. If you push the same PTT and the 0, it's going to put it in GMRS mode, which this is a GMRS radio, so it automatically came in the GMRS system mode. I'm going to click exit because I don't want to erase what I just installed. And then if you push the PTT and push the hashtag or the lock button, as you turn the radio on, it's going to unlock it completely. Initial unlock system. And this will allow you to transmit and receive on ham and GMRS at the same time. Click exit. Don't want to do that. I'll show you. I do have a PTT ID set up on this, so it's going to sound like a dial tone. Whiskey Romeo, Whiskey Quebec, 679, test 1, 2. No response required. That's the repeater kicking back. The speaker, I do have to say, on this guy is amazing. The speaker is nice and loud. The speaker is really good on this. In my opinion, really, really good. Just wanted to show you guys some of the accessories. I'm a little irritated. They could have provided you both charge options. The other thing that I think it should have came with is a battery eliminator. Maybe 2 battery eliminators. You can plug it directly into a 12-volt source, and if you're in your vehicle. But that is all I got for you guys on this video. I have a bunch of smiley adapters here, BNC adapters, a male and female, which